Welcome back to MrYouWho, and here again. Great to have you back with us today. Today I'm really excited to be reviewing the Xiaomi Air Compressor S1. Now I'm so excited reviewing this product is MrYouWho was out riding his scooter a couple of weeks ago and he actually had a flat tyre. It meant that he couldn't actually get home. And MrYouWho's worry, he didn't know what he could do. Well, fortunately, we actually saw this online, the Air Compressor S1 by Xiaomi, and thought it might be a great idea to have this with the scooter when we're going around, but also when we're driving our car, using a bike, those kind of areas. So in case we ever get short, we've got something that could charge our tyres. And in this review, you're going to love seeing this air compressor. You see, not only does it charge car tyres, scooter tyres very, very effectively, very, very easily, but it's very, very portable, light enough to carry around, and it works really well. Now, you get about 8 car tyres out of one charge of this because of the 2000 megahertz batteries, which is excellent. It doesn't make much noise, it doesn't vibrate much, doesn't get hot at all, and works really, really well. It's got things such as different modes as well. I don't know if you can see there, but it's got different modes preset in there. So whether you want car tyres, bike tyres, etc. You unplug the valve here, you plug it in, and it switches off automatically when it hits a desired pressure. It also has cool little things such as a light on there too, that you can actually use so you can look at the car tyre when you're doing it. So this review, we're going to unbox it. We're then going to go and test it out in the scooter. We'll talk about some of the features and then we'll give you a final wrap up about what you think. But we love this air tyre compressor. It works really, really well. Now make sure you like the video, subscribe to the channel, check for links below if you wish to purchase this. Let's jump in now and have a look at it at MrYouWho. Here we're doing an unboxing of the Xiaomi portable air compressor 1S. As you can see, here's the box. Now there's the different modes it comes with, different tire pressures, as well as description on the back. And there's also the different types of modes that can actually inflate. But anyway, let's start by taking a look and opening up what comes in the box. So here it comes. So here's the actual kit itself. Now here's the actual inflator. As you can see there, it feels quite bulky, but that's because it's got the lithium battery in there as well. 2000 mAh lithium battery that's rechargeable. So quite easily to actually start the up as well. Just unplug it there. And there comes up the PSI. Now as you can see, you can set the different PSI modes there as well, depending what you want to do. You can also press that to get the preset mode. So it can do bicycles, it can do car tires, it can do balloons, it can do balls, swimming rings, many other inflatables as well. We're going to show you how it does my actual Segway Ninabot, so you can see how it charges the tire. But there's all the preset modes. As you can see, bicycle, there's car, there's basketball, and there's e-bike as well. So looks really, really good. It's easy to plug this in as well to start. Just put that down for a minute as well. Look what else comes in the box. So there's also, you tie this onto here, and that's what you use then to charge the tyre, which is there. See what else comes in the battery as well. So you've got the instruction booklet here on how to set up as well, and you've also got the charger there. Now it's USB-C charging there, so you charge it through the port just there. Now we're going to go and review and see actually how it works in a moment, but essentially you can do a car time 5 to 8 minutes from 0 to 230 kpi. It also has an auto shut function as well, so when it gets to the top, it stops charging the vehicle. So now we're going to have a look at how easy it is to charge my Segway Ninabot. So we get the air compressor out and we turn it on. Obviously we unplug it. We then take the nozzle and we tie it on like so. Again, it's easy to screw it in like this. Doesn't take long at all. Now my Segway Ninabot is set to 55 psi. That comes with a tyre. We undo the tyre here and we get this and we put it on like so. We tie it on. Again, like you do with any car tyre. Doesn't take much to do it. Now again, this is the same as you can do with car tyres, balls, etc. And you press the button. Now see, it says 27, 28 psi, so it's charging. And see that, it switches off automatically when it charges. Now it went from 27 psi to 55 just like that. That's how quick it was. Now the great thing with it, and you just unplug it like so. So the great thing with this is not only does it charge it really, really quickly, but it switches it off when it hits a preset amount as well. So again, because it's so portable as well, you can put it into your bag, sit in your car. You can also even tie it to your scooter as well. But that's how easy it is.
Tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the...
Okay, wow, so how easy was the Xiaomi Air Compressor S1 to use? Very, very effective. As you saw blowing up the scooter tyre then, blew it up very, very quickly. Didn't take long at all to get to the required PSA pressure, and that's because it works so well. You charge the device, carry it around with you. So whether you've got a car, whether you've got a scooter or a bike, a balloon, air inflatables, the air compressor is great to use. Anyway, make sure you let me know what you think of the air compressor. If you've used it yourself, there's links as well if you wish to purchase it in the description below. And check out our other home videos as well of all the different appliances and devices we have. Anyway, thanks for joining us again here at MrYouWho.